This incredibly unique Game Boy was sent in for repair and to install a clean power regulator. The owner of this Game Boy tried to install the clean power board but ran into some trouble. There are some missing pads and light scuff marks. It doesn't look too bad, so let's continue tearing it down while trying to be as careful as we can, as I don't want to damage the modded display. We'll have to remove the original power board. You can do this a number of ways, but one of my favorite non-destructive ways is to keep one side of the solder joints flowing at a time while lifting it up away from the PCB. You'll just have to go back and forth a few times, but eventually it'll be free and there shouldn't be any damage to follow. The new power board can now be installed. I'll feed jumper wire through the holes with the damaged pads, just in case they are used on the other side. Before closing it up, I decided to test the two fuses on the board and found one that was open. It'll need to be replaced before we continue. Surface mount stuff is really easy with practice. Just add solder to one pad, heat it up, and while the solder is still flowing, slide the component in, then solder to the other side. It's always a good idea to go back to the first joint and add some fresh solder just in case it was disturbed while solidifying. So it works and looks amazing. I hope you liked this quick fix. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.